Welcome to Vlog Kids. We caught a grasshopper for Nature Day. We named him Charizard. You want me to try and get him out? We gotta get somewhere where it's kind of shady so they can see. No, you can. There he is, Charizard. We caught him on the concrete. Should we try and get him out?
No. Yes.
I'm gonna hold him. Okay, hold it. Hold the camera. Don't end it, okay?
Can we just fish it?
I'll tell you when to end it. Oh, he moved. Charizard, I'm gonna get you out.
Wait, we going by ourselves. We going by ourselves, Reed.
Huh?
Just going by
I'm gonna catch him. So
we going by ourselves.
You want me to go in?
We going by ourselves. Why going by ourselves?
Hold up. What's going by ourselves? Oh, what the? He's on the wall. You on the wall.
What? Just doing by ourselves?
Look at him.
Why are we going by ourselves?
He's pretty cool. He's an animal. He can move by himself. He's an insect. He can move by himself. Come on, I'm just gonna have to catch you.
By ourselves?
Come to Papa. Come to Papa. You don't want to come? Come on.
We just going by ourselves.
Oh my gosh. No, you ain't getting out. Why are you going crazy? Jeez Louise. You're going crazy, actually. Bro, you need to chill.
Why just going by ourselves?
He is, you need to chill. Should we let him back go?
Yeah.
Okay, Charizard, we're gonna let you go.
Hey, why just going by ourselves? We keep going by ourselves.
Go, be free into the world.
Why are you not going now?
Go, be free.
Oh, wait.
Be free.
I like that house so much.
What? Okay, chill. We're letting you free. I think you. Okay.
Think who was it? Baby who died. Who did?
Let me pet you.
Wait.
Let him out.
Wait, this just going by ourselves.
Come on.
Oh, he got me this shower.
Ah! He keeps scaring me.
Oh, bite you.
He didn't bite me.
Oh, bite you.
Do grasshoppers bite?
Yes.
Point the camera at me so they see. Curious. I'm trying to get him.
Wait, this just going by ourselves.
Ah!
We're just going by ourselves. We're going by ourselves. Going by ourselves. Ah. We want me to eat this?
No, don't end it. I want them to see that I'm actually releasing the grasshopper. I do not know how to take care of a grasshopper, and he is wild. So if I do keep him, he won't live like he normally does.
We just going by ourselves.
You look like a spider. Come on. I'm trying to let you go. Gosh, you're scary. What are you? What is? Go away.
Will always come to me. They will always come to me for us. We always find this one.
Is this ever gonna leave?
No. I like the house so much.
I'm
I
gonna
want to
try
be in that
to.
house for a hospital.
Okay, look. There he is. Okay. I'm trying to calm him down. But that is a desert grasshopper. They blend in very well. That's how I didn't see him. I think he's getting ready to jump. Bye-bye.
Oh, I can hear him.
Bye-bye.
Not see him.
I see him. He's right there. You see him? He's right there. Goodbye.
You want me to eat?
Okay, bye, guys.
Wait, how you keep going?
Huh?
I'm going by myself for.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, grasshopper. I think he said bye. Peace.